Assalamualaikum students, it's me Miss Maryam, and today we will discuss the topic communication on the internet. As you all know, the internet offers users several different ways of connecting with people. The internet also provides you the social networking sites through which you can connect with your friends and family. So, what do you think? What are social networking sites? Let's discuss about social networking sites. Social networking is the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, families, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both through sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Facebook is a very popular social networking service. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg. MySpace. It's popular social networking site. It lets you create a personal profile that you share with family and friends. It has a strong focus on music sharing with instant messaging and video playing features. Twitter. It was created by Jack Dorsey in March 2006. It is a social networking service that allows you to communicate by sending short messages up to 280 characters long to your friends or followers. Let's discuss home task. It's home task time. In week 5, you have to write what is social networking site with examples on color paper. And in week 6, you have to learn all the question answers of this topic. Hope you understood all. Thank you.